But they just want you to come legally.
Yes.
Come legal. Don't read it.
What they want you to do, I mean, if legally, but if you come here legally, you can stay there legal.
Yeah, and they're like,
Right. And it's no need inside dickhead. Ain't nothing more close to trying to get to the where and the Freddie, do you get there to pull cocktail way, as you said before? Because that's the easiest way and that's the best way and that's the longest way. If we come here for quality of life, base every year found for Cruzade take the time to do that. Only person that could get you here that way is the man upstairs. And that's it.
so that's cool. I appreciate it, guys. So again, guys, just coming to South Africa is like I said, it's a journey. Do it the right way. It can be done. They got an immigration process that actually works. People always ask us, well, how did y'all get here? They think we did something fugazi. And I'm like, no, I followed the process. So I'm going to advocate for that because I'm here and I can build a life here. And these people here that you guys just finished hearing from can see now that they can build a life here as well. But again, coming as a tourist, seeing it as a tourist, and coming the right way opens your eyes. And of course, we're here too. So see you guys here at the Real South Africa. All right, guys, we're still in Eagle Canyon. We have another property that our guys are getting exposed to as well. Let me take you on the inside so you guys can see exactly what they see. This shit is, yes, I cussed. I'm trying to make this thing PG. So we got this area here, and when you first walk in, this is what you see. The ceilings are like, I don't know, 20-foot ceilings at least. And back here is a nice little refuge. So if you're interested, you got that. Of course, you got your sitting area with we call it a little bonus spot. And I guess that's a little pool that's not filled right now that you can use. And this place is very serene. And this is where you even get in the house good. So if you just want to sit out here with no problems, here you are. Then you come over here. And I'm not going to go through every room. Here's a bedroom back here. Another bedroom, which is